Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thulisile Kolweni. I don't like it when I start a video like this in a car, but I actually kind of forgot. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't leave without subscribing, commenting, and liking this video. And if you are my day one, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for always showing me so much love. I'm currently in Boxback, East Rand, closer to East Rand Mall.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Yes, so we came to see something. There's a furniture that I'm interested in. I want to get it. It's like a study desk with a chair. So we saw
Turn
that,
right. Then
and
turn left.
So come along with me on my weekend vlog. This is gonna be a weekend vlog. It's Saturday today, and the time, I wanna show you what time it is. That's the time, and so now we are going to Decofen. We are looking into buying something there, so we're just weighing our options.
Turn left.
I have to say I'm very impressed with Boxback. It looks so nice and quiet, like a place I can live in, you know.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Yeah, I know it's so far from everything, but yeah. Hey, boy. Okay, there's Decofen. Didn't even see.
Turn right. Then turn right.
Thank you, Google. Decofen. That's right. Well, now I want to say everything you have.
Before I eat ball. I dance a bit of ball. What other this thing? That is for the popular ball.
What did you buy? The chair? The sleeper couch?
Yeah, the sleeper couch. Nala Ottoman.
Oh, the Ottoman item, yeah. Oh.
Nala.
Candy Pepe, what did you buy at Game?
Nala pedestal.
Yeah. Candy, what did you buy at Game?
A game? Laptop.
I don't part 11. Landas. Editor. Okay. That's such a, but it's not comfortable, yeah, but the sides. And how much is it? $6.99. Or is that the desk?
$5.99.
It's small though. I mean, it would have worked.
You sit here, and your chair faces that beautiful wall. I'm on this wall by the door, and the windows here.
I think this is the chair, ne? I bet it's us. Maybe it's in ne? But I bet it's fabric, isn't it? I don't want to fabric.
And the window will be here, and I'll be here.
Oh, look at that one.
Which one?
You'll be out there.
Down. Baby. I know what perfect is this. Which one? This one. Oh, it's so expensive and we don't need that much, do we? Then you found a wardrobe. Unless you want to get rid of that wardrobe. See, this is 2,000 rand. Oh, this one. This is nice.
How much is it?
4.99. Baby? Hello, London upstairs. So we are done at the cafe. We are now gonna go to the Eastern Mall, and you guys saw a few pieces that I'm interested in. But mostly we just want to get a bed. That's the first priority right now. So we just want to get a bed, and yeah, that's it. Off to Eastland. I'll see you maybe when I get there. Yes,
indlela xa uzapha i-freeway ufike ikulanda le uhamba nge-freeway hayi
Landa good.
ii-offices zikaLumka apho wayithi bazomthathela i-title deed yakhe kulapha kwendawo
Manolumka.
kwakulo la family yosabela salakuvunyela
Oh.
ndafika apho ndiphantshelwe phaya ndazoncedwa apha eTiremat. Nanake lo game likho phe sifumane iwayini.
Yes, we can go to Eastern Mall just to look, not to buy anything. Then see how the same thing.
Usazoqhuba nguwo lo mqhubo kaloku.
Lo
Our main intention kukufaka abantu
Mufo.
u4 no5 khange ubafake
That's it.
uzazophinda ke
No, not ngoku andifuna ukuqhuba ngifuna uqhuba endleleni engekho
ibikhombe phaa isimoto
uba siyiphosi le entrance it's fine. Go home.
ungena waphi namntasa le seyikuphuma
Baby?
ndithi apha seyikuphuma
entrance. Come back. And I think I'm gonna end this vlog here for today, and then we'll see what we do tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, the 4th of September. So yeah, let's do this tomorrow. I'm gonna quickly fix something to eat for both of us, and then yeah, I will see you tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. I know tomorrow we are going somewhere. I don't know if it's called Poison or something, but that's where we're going, and then I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Good morning, loves. So I'm just busy cooking the OT. That's what we're gonna have now. And then I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna have to wash my hair as well. And yeah, I will see you maybe when I'm done with my hair and I have showered, I look clean. But yeah. I'm so tired. Like I said, I was gonna update you. So we are currently on our way to Poison, Joburg, Rosettenville, I'm not sure. And then we are gonna go to Soweto as well. I have a few things that I wanna take that I left in Eastern Cape, and my aunt was kind enough to take them with her. So we are now currently on our way to Rosettenville, Poison, Joburg, there, and then Soweto. So I will see you maybe after that. We just made a quick stop to buy sausage. Father-in-law and mother-in-law, so yeah.
Yes, esinzima isipedi esi. Akukhalwa kamsadi phayana, ukhalwa ngerhariba.
Nobizana ndazi nobizana njani. Dadewethu.
Mina ngumdala.
Umdala.
I believe that I was born for greatness.
So hi love, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Fortunately there is load shedding, as you all know, load reduction, whatever it is that is called in South Africa. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. So just a little rundown of what happened over the weekend. So we went to Boysen to see my father-in-law and my mother-in-law, and then we saw my other brother-in-law and my sister-in-law as well. It was my first time seeing Agamlahle, who is my sister-in-law. Like, she's married, we both married into the family, so yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for watching until this end. So sorry that I'm ending it like this, just that there's load shedding and I had already forgotten that I need to end the vlog. So I'm gonna end it here. I'm about to sleep. The time like 1:30, right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching until this end. I'll see you in my next video. There is a video that I am trying to put up together. It's probably gonna be a sit down video. It's gonna come after this one, and that video is more about my research